Dear students, this is the seventh part of third lesson Harappan civilization, and in the fifth and sixth part we learn about the life of the Harappan civilization. In it we learn about their diet, about their ornaments, about the seals, about their art, and about the crops they took in their farms. And in last, we also learn about the specimen of Harappan art, the picture we have seen here of the statue that were made by the Harappans. And now, in today's video, we will learn about the trade. And here, we will start our next point, point number 3.6, trade. Now, the Harappan people, from the very olden days, there were the trade relation with the other countries, with the European countries, and they were using the road from the Himalayan Hindu Kush mountain range. In the very first lesson we learn about the Khyber Pass and Bolan Pass, and the Harappan people carried on trade within India as well as with countries outside. The Harappans, they were trading, or they carried on trade within India as well as other countries, neighboring countries also they were doing the trade. The Indus Valley was known for its high quality cotton, and Indus Valley or Indus civilization means the Harappan civilization, or the area near to the Indus river. This area was well known for its high quality cotton, and this cotton was exported to other regions like West Asia, Southern Europe, and Egypt. The high quality cotton of Indus Valley, it was famous in the other countries also, and the peoples of Harappan, they exporting these high quality cotton to the countries like West Asia, Southern Europe, and Egypt. Cotton cloth too was exported, not only high quality cotton but also the cotton cloth, means ready-made or ready clothes, were also exported by the Harappans to these countries like West Asia, Southern Europe, and Egypt. Cotton cloth too was the traders of the Harappan civilization provide muslin clothes to Egypt, silver, zinc, gemstones, rubies, deodar wood were some of the items that were imported from Kashmir, South India, Iran, Afghanistan, and Balochistan. Now, see here, they were exporting the ready clothes as well as the high quality cotton to the another countries, but some of the things were also imported by them. In it, silver, zinc, gemstones, rubies, deodar wood were some of the items that were imported from Kashmir. Imported means these Harappans, they were importing these things like deodar wood, rubies, zinc, silver, and gemstone from the region Kashmir, not only in Kashmir but South India, Iran, Afghanistan, and Balochistan. Means the silver, zinc, gemstone, rubies, deodar wood were imported by the Harappans from the region like Kashmir, South India, Iran, Afghanistan, and Balochistan. Trade was carried on both by land routes and sea routes, and in this, it's a simple, just this trade. The trade was carried on both way, by land routes and by sea routes. Sea routes means with the help of ships. Some of the excavated seals bear picture of ships, and while doing the digging work, some seals were found. Some of the excavated seals bear pictures of ship, and on that seals or on that stamp, the picture of ships were also found. The huge dockyard means where the ships are repairing or the ships are made, that is the dockyard, the place where the ships are repaired, the place where ships are made or repaired, that is known as dockyard, has been discovered at Lothal. It's a place, Lothal, and we learn about Lothal, Kalibangan, Daimabad, and one it, the very huge dockyard has been found at the place Lothal. The trade of the Harappan civilization was carried on along the coastline of the Arabian Sea. The coastline of the Arabian Sea, and here the place Lothal means the important center where the ships were made, and the trade of these Harappans was carried on along the coastline of the Arabian Sea, means from the west side of our country. And here you can see an imaginary picture of the place Lothal, and we learn Lothal here was a huge dockyard. An artist's visualization of the dockyard at Lothal, reconstructed with the help of the remain. Reconstructed means it is not as it is, just with the help of visualization or imagination the artist has made the, means they assume that the place or the Lothal dockyard was like this. And this is the some of the important points about the trade.